You don't need an expensive camera to start making professional YouTube videos. Your iPhone already has excellent cameras. But the problem is the main default camera application gives you very little control on it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I set up my free Blackmagic Camera application for recording professional videos, including resolution, frame rate, shutter speed, ISO, white balance, focus, everything you need to make a professional video. At the end of the video, I'll show you the difference between main default application with Blackmagic Camera setup. By the way, this whole content is being recorded on 17 Pro Max, so you see the result now. The regular iPhone camera app is good for quick videos, but it automatically changes settings like exposure, white balance, and focus. That can become a huge problem while you're recording a YouTube video because the brightness or the color might change while you're talking. For a start, download Blackmagic Camera app from App Store. The app is already free itself. Open it, allow camera and microphone access, and then go directly into settings. Before touching the cinematic controls, we need to set the recording format correctly. For YouTube videos, I recommend recording in 4K at 30 frames per second. 4K gives you more detail and lets you crop or reframe the image during editing. 30 frames per second looks natural and works well tutorials, talking head videos, and most YouTube content. Use 24 frames per second if you want a more cinematic feel. Use 60 or 120 only when you're filming movement or planning to slow the footage down. For shutter speed, you should use the option that is double your frame rate. For example, for 24 FPS, shutter speed must be 1:48. For 30 FPS, it should be on 1:60. That was simple. For recording high quality videos, use 1x or main camera when it's possible. It usually gives you the best image quality you need, especially indoors. The ultra-wide lens can be useful in smaller rooms or smaller places, but it may show you softer and distorted. You can also use telephoto lens on iPhone Pro series. And if you're using 17 Pro Max like me, you can use the selfie camera to record high quality videos for YouTube channel. And this is my opinion, the selfie camera on 17 Pro Max has much better quality than main cameras on Samsung high-level series. ISO controls how bright the image appears, but increasing it also adds noise. Keep it as low as your lighting allows. Instead of pushing ISO higher, add more light or move your light closer. Tap the ISO value, adjust it until your face is properly exposed, and then lock it. Next, lock your white balance. Automatic white balance can change the color of your skin in the middle of a sentence. If you're using daylight or daylight balance LED, start around 5600 Kelvin. For warmer indoor lighting, start closer to 3200 Kelvin. These are starting points, not some magic numbers. Adjust until the object looks neutral and your skin color looks so close to reality. Or you can use ready presets like me. Now it's time to record. If you're using 15 Pro Max or later iPhones, you can record RAW videos or Apple-like video that gives you the RAW format of video that is great for color grading, and also it's a large file. For codec, I usually use these three options. You can record on HEVC for a smaller size of file with good quality for long videos when your phone storage is almost full. You can use Apple ProRes 4022 HQ for the highest quality while recording video on your phone if you're not a professional videographer, or when the highest quality doesn't matter. Or if you're a pro like me, you can use external storage and put the codec on Apple ProRes RAW HQ and record it on your external storage. Just to keep you up, 1 minute of a video on Apple ProRes RAW HQ is about 6 to 10 gigabytes. Greatest contents, good videos with bad audio still feels amateur. You should always check that the correct microphone is selected on the app setting and watch the audio meters while speaking at your normal volume. Your loudest words should stay safely below the red area. Record a 10-second test, listen back with headphones, and only then record the full video. And if you're using external microphone connected to your device like me, go to the setting and go to the audio sources and check this setting for external microphone. These settings that I've been talking about in this video doesn't make bad lighting or bad audio into professional videos, but it gives you the control that your default application doesn't give. In the next video, I'm gonna tell you how to light and frame like a professional YouTuber. And if you have a small place or a small room, or even if you don't have any backgrounds, we're gonna fix it together. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment your iPhone model in the comment section. I will tell you how exactly you should set up Blackmagic Camera app on your own iPhone.